So are you saying, in your opinion, that love doesn't exist at all?
Yeah, actually, when I'm saying talking about love, I'm talking about genuine love. That kind of love they are called agape love. I'm talking about. I'm not talking about love. Now somebody might say I working with people when I say I love them, and I hear love working in is love too. I might be spending on you. That is love too. But I'm not talking. When I mention love, I'm talking about genuine love. That line, that love kind of love that will put yeah life on the line. Yes, that love that will stand the test of time, stand by you when everything is in shambles. So that is love I'm talking about. That I said that kind of love that all chuku bu efunanya or efunanya and nekumake. Then another version of that efunanya nekuma genuine love abo nke nne na nna nwere n'ebe ụmụ ha nọ because it's unconditional. Then but nke between you and nwa okorobịa na nwa agbọghọbịa ma ọ bụ di na nwunye ọ dịkwa mana ọ one in a million. Yes, all day, man, all one in a million. And agwa na-ebute over time. Nwere ike sị ka itinye something on the line, life on the line for the benefit of other. That one is end. That one is not just ya bụ na mmadụ fụrụ na Facebook say I love you, ma nwaanyị fụrụ nwoke fụrụ sị ka ọ wee taa gị ọsọ na ya love you niile chi ụla.
So in that case, it's not unconditionally
Mba
again.
nke a bụrụ infatuation na ndị mmadụ na-akpọ ya love na nke a bụrụ ya ihe bụ genuine love when the chips are down. When mmadụ nwere ike iwere lasting o nwere melee ka o wee fụ na ọ dịrị gị mma. When the person na-asị oke for gị nwee dị ndụ na-etinye life on the line nwere ihe niile o nwere ọ bụrụ na mmadụ nwere 1 million i nwee problem 20,000 si ebe a were enye gị bụ na ọlọgụ ihe bụ na ọgwụ dị a na-ekwu maka ya ụdịrị ọgwụ a na-ekwu ọ na-agwa na-ekwu okwula ụdịrị ọgwụ na-ekwu na ya bụ ebe mmadụ nwere 1 million ọla ọlịa mana gị nwa bụ onye ọ fụrụ n'anya nwere problem 2 million o were 1 million ya ọla ọlụ o nwere that's last month dị na akaụntụ iji ebe efu zero nye gị jee bitekwuo from friends add ya wee nye gị ka o wee zụọ ọgwụ ndụ.
But often,
mana ụfọdụ ga-enye gị so-called love adị very common from the abundant o nwere mapụta obere nye gị mana esizie ya were ihe niile o nwere nye gị ọ enye gị ụdị ya ka m na-ekwu na ọ dị very difficult mana ụlọ nke from the abundant o nwere ọkpabije gị obere ọ dị ya jụrụ eju ya bụrụ na onye abụla o nwere na-enye ya ka iwe enye ya access to honey pot.
All right, but at times people that practice this kind of love you're talking about unconditionally, or when you want to save someone's life or you want to give out, you give all you have, like example that you gave now, a case of 2 million.
Yes.
Then you have 1 million in your account, you give out that 1 million, you still borrow from another to give. Oftentimes people that practice that are seen as mugus, the one we call mumu. Do you think that's true? Or
yes, the truth of the matter bona here has more of spiritual. That is how I look at it. Here depend it was and the experience in life. For me, I believe in a twin heart of love, twin flame. So there is this a heart where you get to Ambonia Anambra. I might see my twin flame, Bronimo. Manon will you go problem well. For the fact na maybe in the previous earth life, I don't know have sisters, more but in the previous earth life, na money have friends, but no one ha in previous earth life. The very huge but I couldn't maybe repay the person back. Maybe we lost contact, maybe somebody passed on. Like you know, don't want any in life, maybe from school till now. It must see where his whereabouts. Mana you do know be no bonnet, peradventure, he come across this person now. He gave me something, you know, at least he goes here, he has a very bad Egypt, but he froze the other. So in the next world, where he can jam one yama, no do also see only coaches see another flesh, as in do to know no, and once you go away because you know was the memory, the brain, every stall, the net, how you know the person is no longer there. Never know where we got another flesh. So the earthly knowledge address it. But spiritually, one of the two heart of love. If we are undying love, for this person because their spirit recognize the person. No onye a need indebted to onye a ki merie ka obi dị ya mma mana e mara reason mana ni unu enwe na ịkọwa ukwu si wee fụ and the why ije feel need indebted to this person. He have heart connection. So no dia ka a na-enweta that sincere love because na o nwere ihe jikọpụrụ unu na mmụọ. So when the two hearts for the love at first time when unu fụ onwe unu ọ dịka unu amabụ onwe unu tete mana that the first one na fụ but spiritually unu mabụ onwe unu. All never can enwe the kind of sincere love but minus this kind of I have told you we're 1 in a million because no here spirit in our control. Onye nọ na-ahụ eke sịrị na under the influence of charm na-eji ọgwụ jide gị and that person gị na ga live in harmony because love unu abụrụ ihe bidoro n'ụwa. Love unu bidoro na mmụọ jikọrọ unu because mgbe onye nwa na onwe ya ama enwe obi ime siri ike because ọ na-afụtakwa n'ime obi ọ na-afụtakwa as maybe as a senior brother or maybe somebody mere me ihe nji ụgwọ ịkwụ ụgwọ the phone now ga-ebi ka nwanne na nwanne. So the love one are very difficult to find. Mana ọ bụ na nke just na mmadụ furu onye anyị na like ukwu nwere ntị and everything ma ọ mara mma ọtọ. These ones can actually fizzle out when the chips are down. Challenges onye anaghị. Thank you.